Cloud Code just got super insane at web design, and this is the website I made in just a couple of minutes without using any skills. As you can see, it looks like an AI slop. But when I used this Google Chrome Modern Web Guidance, it made this insane website that looks so realistic, and I also made it in less than 5 minutes. So you can already see the difference of web design that you can make inside Cloud Code with using the correct tools and skills. Also, doesn't look like the most websites that made with AI because they all look like AI slops. And no, we're not gonna do that today, so let's just get into it. So to create these amazing websites, we have to get the Google Chrome Modern Web Guidance. So you can just actually download it from the GitHub, which has all of these different plugins. And let me tell you that when you use that kind of thing inside your Cloud Code, so when you use this type of thing, your website design will jump from 0 to 100 in just a couple of minutes. So let me just show you how you can actually download it. So I'm just going to start by going into Cloud Code. This is the same folder I built this generic website. I gave just one single prompt, make me a dentist website, and this was the result that we got. So basically, if you want to add it inside Cloud Code, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this button and I'm going to go and copy this to the clipboard, or I can either download it. So it's really up to you. So you can just download it as a zip file. So as you can see, I have downloaded it, which are right here. I can just put that zip in. And let's just say use this. So then Cloud Code will actually extract these files and it will have it in here. And then we can just start building the website with Modern Web Guidance. So what it actually does, this has a lot of different, more than 120 trained websites. So when you create the website by using this, your websites will not look like AI slop. They will have 10 times better performance inside Google, and also they will look better. So it's like win-win situation while using this. And also it is completely free. So it is just gonna act like a skill inside Cloud Code. It's a modern web guidance skill. So we will be able to find it in here by using all of the skills. So if we go and manage skills, we could either add it right here, upload a skill, or we can just ask Cloud to do it for us if we don't want to do this manually. As you can see, Cloud Code is saving the skill for us. And if we go back to the website we made earlier, as you can see, it is quite fine. It has all of the details, but it's just like AI slop. You can already see the details that makes AI things, because look at this. Usually AI does the same thing, and these are the biggest giveaways that it's made with AI, because no one actually does these inside their websites. But if they even do this, it does not look like this, because this looks like complete AI stuff. And if we go down, as you can see, all of the same boxes, like it gives the strong feeling that it's made with AI. I'm not saying it is looking bad. Of course, it's looking normal. It has all of these things. It looks like a normal website. But in general, with just one single prompt, it's fine. But if we're talking about like more professional project, it is not okay. So we have to make it even better. So let's just see. I see we get the skill, so we can just save it right here. And we should be able to see it, Modern Web Guidance. So once we get that skill inside there, we're going to try again and give it a prompt to make a dentist clinic website. But let me just go through the process and show you the actual difference behind it. So I actually stopped that from going in because I didn't want to make the modernizations. So if we want to access that skill, all we have to do is click on plus, go here, and just click on that skill. So now it's activated and we should give it a good prompt. So if we want the best results, we will not give a generic like thing like make a dental website. We have to be a bit more precise. So that's what I'm saying. Build a website for North Shore Dental, a family dental practice in Austin, Texas. And also they offer general dentistry, teeth whitening, and etc. So make it look professional. Use the Modern Web Guidance skill for all design, layout, typography, and accessibility decisions. So we don't want AI fonts, we don't want AI design, and we don't want AI layout. So when all of these three things are fixed, then we get the best results. So if we push that in, and let's see if that actually is capable of doing this. As you can see, it said it's working on a tough task. So I don't think it is very tough, but let's just see. And I'm just gonna get back to you inside the progress on how it is going. So this is what actually this skill has been doing for us. Searching the guidance for UI patterns, searching the guidance for animation, layout, and performance, now retrieving the full guides for the highest value matches, and updating to-do list. Retrieve the form validation guides, read the remaining form guides, and of course all of these things. So if I scroll down, as you can see, it did so many things in here. So this is the progress bar which has to be completed. So search for modern web guidance for relevant guides. So this was the guide we just used, modern web guidance. Then retrieve and read the remaining matched guides. Also building the North Shore Dental single file site. So now it's building the HTML code. Then it's verifying rendering a desktop, tablet, mobile. So it will actually optimize it for mobile users, for iPad users, and any other device. And the last thing is also check the JavaScript errors and audit the build against each guide mandatory rules. So basically, the guide has also rules. So in the end, it will actually compare it to the rules. And if any of the rules will not be completed, then it will actually change it and adapt it. So it will always be the best version possible and it will never look like this some dumb AI slop. So to be safe, you can always use this skill when building websites, and I guarantee 100% you will get the better output than any other skill that is available right now, because this thing is pre-trained on more than 120 normal websites. So I can already see a little bit of it going on here. As you can see, North Shore Dental, it does look quite nice. I mean, I just like the design overall of it. And if we scroll down, this is super nice. I mean, it just looks so cozy. Like if we scroll down, we can already see these things, our approach. And yeah, for me, it does not look like AI at all. Like in general, it does look like some funny, cozy website. I mean, it does look very friendly and inviting. And I think for dental clinics, it is very needed that they look inviting because people sometimes are scared of going to the dental clinics. So therefore, if they make the website more inviting, I do think they can get more leads because for some people, doctors are scary, dental clinics are scary, so that is an angle we can actually go with. And as far as I can see, it's still editing this HTML file, so I'm just gonna get back to you once everything is done, and then we're just gonna compare these two and see what's actually changing and how. So guys, let's just take a look at both of these websites. So I just made them one by one, as you can see. So one is in one corner, other is in the other corner. So this was made with one simple AI prompt, just make a dental clinic website. This one was made using that GitHub repo, and it also had a bit better prompt. So this is the results we are getting. As you can see, the top one looks pretty similar, but this one looks more custom because the book to visit is a bit more smaller. But if we go to the hero section, the difference is already here. When we go to the most AI websites, we see the same pattern. We see the hero text. Sometimes it has these lines under it. It has this color change and all of the other things. And also the biggest give back is the font that's used. As you can see, every AI website has the same similar font, and we do not want that. Also, if we go on the right side, we can see that it has these nice stars. Also, the image is way better. We don't see these random AI fonts. We don't see these random AI animations. This one looks more professional. And also, the text is way nicer and the overall hook is way nicer because dentistry that finally feels calm, and this one is dentistry your whole family can look forward to. Also, book an appointment button looks more professional. You don't have this glow. Like this one is just more cleaner. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this one just looks like all the other AI slops, and this one don't have this. So this is also a win for us. And if we go down, okay, this one it is fine, but in general, I do like this one better because as you can see, it has all of these trust-proof things and the kids are welcome, plans accepted. So what we do, 3 things done properly. And if we go here, like the difference is already seen. As you can see, the AI website looks so generic like every other website. But if we go on this one, it does look more professional. It does look more custom built. It doesn't look like AI slop. And if we even go down, as you can see, this one is way, way, way better because this one just looks like a clear AI thing. And if we go even further to the team, okay, we did not upload any pictures, but I do like the vibe here. We just have to upload the pictures. But in general, it also looks better than this one. This one just looks so much more professional. I just feel it like it's not made with AI. And if we go on prices, as you can see, it is awful. But if we go here, it is way, way, way better. I just like the cleanness overall. And the color palette is also nice. It is just so adapted to this website. And we don't see any AI slop. And if we go even further, We have this frequently asked questions. So let's see if we have them here. Okay, they are pretty similar. Of course, you can't make much difference here because it's just the frequently asked questions. But overall, even this one, look, good questions. As you can see, it is in the light font, it is in green font in the background, but this one has this one line and common questions. So it does look more professional and it doesn't look like AI made. And if we scroll to the forms, as you can see, the forms are pretty similar in general, but overall this one has better vibe. As you can see, like everything just looks way more cleaner, and this one, like all the other AI websites, this one has something a little bit different. So we got the patient even trust proof, and to the last part is this one. So it is also pretty similar, but for me, this one doesn't look like AI made. But this one, it's clearly AI because when I make a ton of AI websites, I do find the same pattern in every other website. They have this like just similar pattern, which I don't see in this website. So that's why I like it so much. And if we go on to the full screen, so let me just show you the full results. It just looks so clean. And I wouldn't say it's made with AI because overall the consistency is throughout the whole page. So guys, if you want to get this system, I also left a link in my bio. You can get it for free. Also, you can just find it yourself. And if you want to learn more about AI, websites, and all the other automations, I do have a private community. The link is in this video description, so please check it out and see if you can improve your skills even more. So see you in the next one.